What inventory turnover rate is ideal for pop-up drink stands? The ideal inventory turnover rate for pop-up drink stands is typically between 6 and 12 times per year. Inventory turnover rate means how many times a business sells and replaces its stock in a year. For pop-up drink stands, having a turnover rate between 6 and 12 means they sell their entire stock every 1 to 2 months. This is important because drinks usually have a short shelf life, especially if they are fresh or perishable. If the turnover rate is too low, it means the stand is holding on to too much inventory, which can lead to wasted products and loss of money. On the other hand, if the turnover rate is too high, it might mean the stand is not keeping enough stock to meet customer demand, causing missed sales. Many people do not realize that the ideal rate can vary depending on the type of drinks being sold. For example, bottled drinks might last longer than freshly squeezed juices. Additionally, managing a good turnover rate helps keep cash flow steady because money isn't tied up in unsold inventory. Keeping track of this rate regularly helps the stand adjust how much stock to order based on how fast drinks are selling. One common mistake is overestimating how much inventory is needed, which leads to spoiled drinks and waste. A simple tip is to track daily sales closely and reduce orders if products are not moving fast enough. Another misconception is thinking that having a very high turnover rate is always good. However, too high a rate could mean running out of popular drinks, frustrating customers. It's better to balance stock carefully by analyzing sales patterns from different days and times of the week. Some people also overlook seasonal changes in customer demand. For example, more drinks might sell during hot months. Adjusting inventory before these shifts helps maintain the right turnover rate and keeps customers happy. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out to message you back and offer their estimates.